Karnataka is gearing up for crucial by-elections in three assembly constituencies, Shiggaon, Sandur and Channapatna, set for November 13, following the resignations of sitting MLAs who secured Lok Sabha seats earlier this year. These elections are poised to shape the political landscape as key parties strategize to secure a win. In Shiggaon, the BJP has named Bharat Basavaraj Bommai as its candidate, marking the entry of the third generation of the Bommai family into electoral politics. Bharat, the son of former Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, will contest the seat vacated by his father after his election to Parliament. This selection is significant for the BJP as it aims to maintain its hold on the constituency, which has been a Bommai stronghold. The Sandur constituency has also drawn attention with the BJP fielding Bangaru Hanumantu. The seat was vacated after former Congress MLA E. Tukaram won the Ballari Lok Sabha seat. Speculation is rife within Congress, with discussions hinting that either Tukaram's wife or daughter may be nominated, adding a layer of intrigue to the battle for Sandur. In Channapatna, where former MLA H.D. Kumaraswamy stepped down after securing the Mandya Lok Sabha seat, BJP is reportedly in talks with JDS over a potential coalition. Sources suggest that the BJP may leave the seat for JDS, paving the way for Nikhil Kumaraswamy, son of H.D. Kumaraswamy, to contest. However, a challenge to this arrangement has emerged within the BJP ranks as former MLC C.P. Yogeshwar has resigned, which could potentially open the way for the JDS, complicating coalition plans. Meanwhile, the Congress is carefully weighing its options for all three constituencies. Senior leaders Salim Ahmed and CM Faiz, son of former Union Minister CM Ibrahim, are both in the race for Shiggaon. For Sandur, Congress insiders indicate that Tukaram's family members may be the front-runners. In Channapatna, Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar's brother D.K. Suresh is being tipped as a strong contender. Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwara, speaking on the upcoming by-polls, expressed confidence that the Congress would win all three seats. He reaffirmed that the final decision on candidates would be made by the party's high command, but assured that the party would field strong contenders in each constituency, signaling their readiness for a tough electoral battle. All eyes are now on the Congress, BJP and JDS as they finalize their candidates and prepare for a high-stakes battle that could reshape the state's political future.